Hello, and welcome to Travel Partner. I'm Samantha, and I'm thrilled you're joining us to explore Rome, where ancient history meets vibrant modern life. This city is pure magic, with stories in every cobblestone and art on every corner. Our mission: show you how to have an unforgettable 48 hours in Rome for just €180. We'll see iconic sights, savor delicious food, and make memories, all on a smart budget. Get your walking shoes ready. We're about to dive into the heart of Rome, the savvy way. Ready to plan your trip? We'll walk through ruins, toss a coin in a fountain, and eat pasta that'll make you sing. Let's begin our Roman holiday. Let's talk numbers. Planning your budget is key to making the most of your Roman adventure. So let's break it down and see how far your euros can take you. Our €180 budget is designed to cover all the essentials for 48 hours in Rome. Think delicious food, must-see activities, and getting around the city with ease. This amount doesn't include your flights or hotel, so you can focus on enjoying the city once you arrive. We're aiming for about €90 per day. That means you can enjoy a mix of free attractions, like wandering through ancient piazzas or admiring the city's stunning architecture, and still have room in your budget for a few affordable splurges, like a guided tour or a special meal. When it comes to getting around, Rome's public transport system is your best friend. Pick up a Roma 48-hour pass for just €12.50, and you'll have unlimited access to buses, trams, and the metro. It's a huge money saver and makes exploring the city a breeze. For sightseeing, plan to spend around €15, enough for entry to a couple of iconic sites or a museum. Set aside about €35 for food, which lets you sample authentic pasta, pizza, and maybe even a gelato or two. The rest of your budget can go towards souvenirs, a sweet treat, or perhaps a coffee break at a charming Roman cafe. Little indulgences like these make your trip memorable. Don't forget, walking is completely free. And honestly, it's the best way to discover Rome's hidden gems. The city is made for wandering, so pack your most comfortable shoes and get ready to explore winding streets and lively neighborhoods. Another great tip: always carry a refillable water bottle. Rome's public fountains, called Nasoni, offer fresh, cold water all over the city, so you can stay hydrated without spending a cent. This simple trick not only saves you money, but it's also an easy way to help the planet by cutting down on plastic waste. With our Roma pass in hand and water bottles filled, we're ready to make the most of every moment in Rome. Let's hit the streets and start our adventure. Good morning. There's nothing quite like waking up in Rome, where every sunrise promises a new adventure through history. Whether you're a first-time visitor or a seasoned explorer, today, we're discovering how to experience the city's ancient wonders without breaking the bank. Start your day like a true Roman. Sip a creamy cappuccino and savor a flaky cornetto at a bustling local cafe. For just €3, you'll fuel up for a day of adventure, surrounded by the sounds of the city waking up and the aroma of fresh coffee drifting through the air. Next, hop on the metro and ride to Colosseo Station. As you step outside, the mighty Colosseum rises before you, one of the world's most iconic landmarks. You don't need a ticket to be awestruck by its grandeur. Just stand outside and let your imagination wander back to the days of gladiators and emperors. Snap some unforgettable photos, strike a pose, and soak in the atmosphere. The energy here is contagious, with travelers from all over the world gathering to marvel at this ancient arena. Capture memories, not expenses, and save your euros for more experiences ahead. From here, take a leisurely stroll along Via dei Fori Imperiali. This grand avenue offers sweeping views of the Roman Forum's sprawling ruins, columns, arches, and temples that once formed the heart of ancient Rome. No ticket needed, just your curiosity and a sense of wonder. Pause for a moment and imagine senators in togas debating below, or crowds gathering for public speeches. The stories of Rome come alive as you gaze down at these ancient stones, all without spending a single euro. Ready for a new perspective? Climb the gentle steps up Capitoline Hill. At the top, you'll find a terrace with a breathtaking panoramic view over the Forum and the city beyond. A perfect spot for photos and a quiet moment to take it all in, completely free. Don't miss Piazza del Campidoglio, a masterpiece designed by Michelangelo himself. The elegant symmetry and grand statues make it a must-see, and a fantastic backdrop for your travel photos. By now, you've explored the very heart of ancient Rome, wandered through centuries of history, and only spent a few euros on breakfast. Your wallet stays happy while your mind fills with unforgettable sights and stories. That's how you unlock Rome's ancient wonders on a budget. Memories are priceless, and adventure doesn't have to be expensive. Ready to see what else Rome has in store? Let's keep exploring. Time for lunch. Grab a panino or pizza al taglio for 6-8 euros. Afterward, visit the Pantheon. Free entry. Stand beneath the oculus and feel the centuries of history. Stroll to Piazza Navona, alive with fountains, artists, and the spirit of Rome. Relax on a bench and soak up the dolce far niente, the sweetness of doing nothing. Next, treat yourself to gelato from a local gelateria. Look for artigianale signs and pay just 3 to 4 euros. Avoid tourist traps by walking a block away from main squares. Enjoy every spoonful as you wander Rome's beautiful streets. This afternoon is all about savoring the city's atmosphere. No tickets required. Rome's best moments are often free. Ready for an evening adventure? Let's go. As evening falls, cross the Tiber into Trastevere, Rome's most enchanting neighborhood where history and modern life blend seamlessly. The golden light of dusk bathes the ancient buildings, and the city's energy shifts as locals and travelers alike begin their nightly rituals. Wander cobblestone streets that twist and turn, discover ivy-clad buildings with centuries-old stories, and soak in the bohemian vibe that makes Trastevere so unique. Street musicians play gentle tunes, laughter spills from open windows, and every corner feels alive with possibility. Piazza di Santa Maria in Trastevere is the beating heart of the neighborhood. Admire the shimmering golden mosaics on the basilica's facade, watch children play by the fountain, and take in the lively scene as friends gather for an evening out. When hunger strikes, slip down a side street and find a cozy trattoria away from the crowds. Here, the menus are handwritten. The staff greet you like family, and the aroma of simmering sauces fills the air. This is authentic Roman cuisine at its best. Order a classic pasta dish like cacio e pepe or amatriciana, simple, flavorful, and made with love. For just 10-12 euros, you'll taste tradition in every bite, or opt for a fixed menu for 15 to 20 euros and enjoy a full Roman feast without breaking the bank. Pair your meal with a carafe of house wine, poured generously and meant to be shared. It's the perfect way to experience Rome like a local, savoring each sip as the evening unfolds. Savor every bite, share stories with new friends, and toast to your first day in Rome, where ancient wonders, vibrant piazzas, and unforgettable food come together, all while staying on budget. As you stroll back through Trastevere's lantern-lit streets, let the magic of the Roman evening sink in. This is the memory you'll carry home, the laughter, the flavors, the glow of the city at night. You've mastered day one, embraced Rome's spirit, tasted its flavors, and wandered its timeless streets. Tomorrow promises even more adventure. Rest up for another unforgettable day. Buonanotte, and sweet dreams in the eternal city. Day 2 begins with a coffee and pastry, 3 euros, then hop the metro to Vatican City. Walk into St. Peter's Square and feel the awe of Bernini's grand design. Enter St. Peter's Basilica for free. Dress modestly and prepare to be amazed by its art and scale. Marvel at Michelangelo's Pietà and the soaring dome. Take your time exploring. This is one of the world's greatest churches, and it costs nothing to visit. Step back outside to soak in the energy of the square. Find the perfect photo spot and watch pilgrims from around the world. You've just experienced Vatican City's grandeur without spending €1 on admission. Proof that Rome's best sights can be free. Ready for more discoveries? For lunch, head to Prati for a panino or pizza al taglio, €6 to €8. Next, admire Castel Sant'Angelo from the outside and stroll across the Bridge of Angels, free and photo-worthy. Walk up Gianicolo Hill for a breathtaking panoramic view of Rome's domes and rooftops. Pause, take photos, and enjoy the cityscape. Then unwind in Via Borghese Gardens, Rome's beloved park. Wander shady paths, relax by the lake, or just rest your feet on the grass. The park is vast and free, a perfect local escape. This afternoon is about slowing down and savoring Rome's beauty. Ready for a memorable sunset? As evening falls, stroll to the Spanish Steps, an iconic spot for sunset and people watching. Sit, soak in the atmosphere, and snap your final photos as the city glows. Remember, no eating or drinking on the steps, but enjoy the view. For your farewell dinner, skip the pricey tourist traps near the steps. Head toward the Pantheon or Piazza Navona for a trattoria with outdoor seating. Budget €20 to €25 for a classic Roman dish, maybe carbonara or pizza margherita. Toast to your adventure and reflect on all you've seen and tasted. You've explored Rome like a pro, on budget, with style. Celebrate your journey with this final, delicious meal. As your Roman holiday ends, here are a few final tips. Walk whenever you can. It's free and reveals the real Rome. Eat where locals eat. Avoid flashy tourist menus. Make lunch your main meal for better prices and enjoy lighter dinners. Stand at the cafe counter for cheaper coffee. Remember, Rome's best treasures, piazzas, fountains, churches, are often free. You've experienced the city's magic on a budget. Be proud. Thanks for joining Travel Partner. Share your stories and happy travels.